बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे UHS MDCAT 2022 पेपर पार्ट 2। पार्ट 1 में फर्स्ट 50 क्वेश्चन सॉल्व किए थे। पार्ट 2 का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है 51। 52 विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट। 4 ऑप्शन है, इनमें से कौन सा करेक्ट स्टेटमेंट है। ऑप्शन ए, tuberculosis and pneumonia are caused by gram-positive bacteria. 53. Nitrifying bacteria are the examples of chemosynthetic bacteria. Option B. 54. Each human testis is divided into 250 to 300 lobules. Option D. Question 55. Which cells in the human males are responsible for the release of testosterone? Leading cells or interstitial cells? Option D. Question 56. Fertilized ovum is implanted and undergoes further development in the uterus. Option B. 57. Level of LH is maximum in blood during which stage of menstrual cycle? Ovulation stage. Option D. Question 58. Major source of transmission of syphilis is sexual contact. Option D. 59. Which is false about cartilage? कार्टिलेज के मुतालिक कौन सा स्टेटमेंट गलत है। There are many blood vessels in cartilage. Option A. Question 60. Which of the following is a muscle component that act as store for energy? Creatine, PO4. Option B. Question 61. Which of the following is not found in skeletal muscle fibers in human? Large amount of hemoglobins. Option D. 62. Hinge joint is present between which of the following bones? Humerus and radio ulna. Option A. Question 63. Test cross is made to check the genotype of a trait. Which of the following crosses is a test cross? Option B. 64. DNA stores biological information in discrete units termed as genes. Option A. Next, which one of the following is X-linked dominant disorder? Option C. Hypophosphatemic rickets. Question 68. Mode of inheritance in humans can be traced through pedigree analysis. Option C. Next, chemistry portion है. Question 69. 1 atomic mass unit stands for 1/12 of a carbon. Option B. Question 70. A compound of sodium oxide has 74.2% sodium and 25.8% of oxygen. The empirical formula of the compound is? Option C. Next, according to which scientist the probability of finding an electron at a certain position is possible? तो इसमें राइट ऑप्शन डी है शुडिंगर। 73. Which gas in the discharge tube produces lightest canal ray particles? Hydrogen. Hydrogen gas. Option C. 74. Which element has the ground state electronic configuration of 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6? Option A. 75. What is the proton atomic number of an element that has 4 unpaired electrons in its ground state? 26. Option D. Next है, if we want to rise the temperature of 1 mole of an ideal gas by 1 Kelvin, we have to provide how much amount of energy? 0.0821 decimeter cube atmosphere. Option D. 78. The process of heat flow between hotter and colder gases remains continued until all the molecules have equal average translation kinetic energy. Option A. 79. In liquid, with the change in dipole-dipole forces, there is a change in some physical properties. Select the property which is not affected by the strength of dipole-dipole forces. तो वो प्रॉपर्टी है moles, number of moles. Option D. Question 80. Which of the following factor does not affect the magnitude of vapor pressure? Amount of liquid does not affect magnitude of vapor pressure. Option A. 81. A small building block which belongs to hold information about crystal structure is unit cell. Option B. 82. Which type of solid is called as atomic solid? Covalent solids. Option A. 83. The decrease in solubility of the salt in a solution that already contains an ion common to that salt is known as common ion effect. Option C. 84. The precipitation occurs if the ionic concentration is more than Ksp. 85. One can estimate the direction in which equilibrium will shift with the help of Le Chatelier's principle. Option A. 86. What is the overall order of the rate equation? Rate equal to constant H2 NO2 whole twice. H का ऑर्डर 1 है, NO2 का 2. इनको सम करेंगे तो 3 आ जाएगा. ओवरऑल ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन इज 3. ऑप्शन सी यहाँ करेक्ट है. 87. The catalysis in which the catalyst and the reaction are in the same phase is known homogeneous catalyst. Option B. 88. Born-Haber cycle is used to determine the lattice energy of ionic compounds. It is the application of His laws. Option C. 89. Which of the following term is state function? Enthalpy is state function. Option D. Question 90. An electrochemical cell is based upon which reaction? Redox reaction. Option B. 91. In which of the following oxygen shows fractional oxidation number? Potassium oxide. Option C. 92. Which of the following element has smaller size? Lithium. Option D. 93. Among lithium chloride, barium chloride, sodium chloride, cesium chloride, the compound with the greatest and the least ionic character respectively are cesium chloride and barium chloride. 94. Which statement describes the conversion of magnesium atom to magnesium ion for ionic bond formation with chlorine? Option B. The change is oxidation because there has been a loss of electrons. 95. AB4 type with no lone pairs geometry enables to form which type of molecule? Tetrahedrons. Option B. Regular tetrahedrons. Why dimer of aluminium chloride is formed? Aluminium form coordinate bonds with chlorine to complete its octet. Option D. 97. Which group of the periodic table contains non-metal, metalloids and metals? Group 4. Option C. 98. Which of the following sulfate compound is insoluble in water? इनमें से कौन सा सल्फेट कंपाउंड वाटर में सॉल्युबल नहीं होता? Barium sulfate. Option B. 99. Which of the following complex show a tetrahedral geometry? इनमें से कौन सा कॉम्प्लेक्स टेट्राहेड्रल ज्योमेट्री शो करता है? कॉपर साइनाइड. ऑप्शन बी. पार्ट 2 का लास्ट क्वेश्चन है. इन विच पेयर वन हैज़ ऑल अनपेयर्ड d orbitals while other have all paired d orbitals? क्रोमियम एंड जिंक. ऑप्शन सी. ये था हमारे पास UHS MDCAT 2022 पेपर पार्ट 2. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.